give you a call.
Oh my God. Ah. What a day. Whew.
What? You're tired, yeah?
I'm glad it's finally over.
Is it really over? What about our honeymoon?
Babe.
What?
You and I know so well that you've had a honey a long time ago.
I've had the honey, but now I want the
You're so
moon.
crazy. Oh my God, please, babe, let's just have a rematch because I'm so tired. I need to rest.
I was just joking though, I'm tired too. Can I have your phone?
Yeah, sure. You want to call someone or something?
Not exactly.
Okay. Babe?
Yeah?
What are you trying to do?
Oh, nothing. Just trying to...
Why are you opening my SIM card?
You'll soon find out.
Babe, why are you with my SIM card? Huh? What? Baby, why did you break my SIM card? Huh? Why? Why? Say something. What are you trying to do? What are you doing?
Here you go. Your new phone.
What?
Here.
What?
Take. So, now that we are officially married, for the sake and for the good of this marriage, you have to follow some new rules. I don't want your male friends, your single female friends,
What are you talking about?
and your relatives around here. No visitation, no calls.
Babe?
Let them stay far away from us. Babe, just for the good of our marriage.
Babe, why? Why are you doing this to me? What's going on? This is not you.
Babe, you know I love you and I don't want your male friends to be all over you again, or your exes, or you know, that kind of stuff.
No, this is not love. Please.
So,
But I want to call my mother.
just give you a phone. Babe, I'm tired. See you later, man.
To do what with this phone? What's going on? Am I dreaming or something? No, this must be a dream. Babe! Babe, come back here! Baby. Wakey, wakey. Good morning, my love.
Good morning, babe. Babe, where are you going to? All dressed up, man. Is my breakfast ready?
Oh yes, it's ready. I want to go thank the people who made our wedding a success.
Why do you have to go today? Can't you go some other time? Babe, we're on our honeymoon now.
I know. But baby, please, I have to go. These people are family. Ella, my chief bridesmaid, and my mom. So going there in person would make more sense than just sending just text message.
Oh. Okay. Come on.
Where are you going for? Oh, stretchy, stretchy.
Come on, babe.
What do you want to give me? You want to give my mother something?
Babe.
What's that?
Yeah. Put this on when you're going out.
What?
Oh, you think I will let you walk out of my compound with this much beauty and allow those small estate boys to be looking at my beautiful wife?
What are you talking about?
It's not possible now. Come on, we should know. Listen. When leaving now, take this face mask, wear it. And baby girl, don't think you wear it inside this compound and go outside the gate and remove it. I have men stationed in every point to tell me when you take this off, okay? So, enjoy your outing, baby.
Are you joking or are you being serious?
Babe, I'm not joking. Wear that face mask.
I should wear a face mask.
See you when you get back, babe.
Someone should wake me up from this terrible dream. Who is Charles? No, this is not the man that I dated. No.
Why is nobody checking the door? Oh, good day, sir. Okay.
Yes, how can I help you?
Sir, I'm here to see my friend Jessica.
She's not home.
Oh, okay, that's okay. Let me in, so I'll wait for. Can wait for her.
You can't wait for her. You need to leave now.
Oh. Okay. Sir, I'm Emmanuella, her chief bridesmaid.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
Ella! Oh my goodness. You have to leave now, Ella. You're not welcome here.
Sir?
Film is so wonderful. Definitely one of my favorite. I'm telling you. And I think I should give kudos to the director of the film too. Who's the director? I don't know his name. I think his name is Kingsley or something. Kingsley Wero. So one they call Mr. Speed. I don't know his AKA, but I think it's Kingsley Wero. This film is fantabulously wonderful. Oh. Wow. Thank you, baby. Thank you, Jessica. Yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's actually good, isn't it?
Charlie, I really envy you. Don't envy me. Go and marry your own.
Getting married is not a problem. Finding a wife material is.
Finding a wife material is. What happened to your numerous girlfriends?
You just said it, girlfriends. There's a difference between girlfriends and wife material. And talking about wife, what about that chief bridesmaid? I couldn't get her number. I was hoping I would get it from your wife.
I don't think my wife still has the contact.
What happened?
She lost her phone at the reception ground.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
It's fine.
But even at that, she's her friend, so she will definitely see her. So just call her and tell her that I am interested. So.
Guy, see, forget about that Ella girl. Just forget about my wife. Let's enjoy the moment. Let's enjoy
Just
ourselves.
call her now. At least they gossip so that she can tell her.
France.
Okay, you know what? Call your wife so I can admire her.
What did you just say?
I said call your wife so I can admire her. Why are you getting serious?
Francis, are you mad?
How?
Is this why you came to my house?
Come on, chill. It hasn't gotten to this.
To admire my wife?
It's just a ham. Why are you taking it serious?
Get out of my house.
Charles.
Francis, get out of my house.
Fine. Go. Say me well to your wife.
Mama, welcome.
In-law. My in-law. Ogobuchi. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama, as you can see.
I can see you are fine. I've not been able to reach your wife on the phone since after the wedding. So I got so worried. That is why I'm here.
Mama. Her phone was stolen at the reception ground.
Hey, I said it. Some people came to that wedding to steal.
Do you understand? Yes, now. Some people came to steal.
Hey, is she at home now?
My wife? No. She went out.
Hey.
She went out since morning.
No problem. I have to be on my way. Because I got so worried. I was even thinking the two of you has decided to travel to Obodo Igbo for
No, Mama, no. If we wanted to travel, we would have told you now.
It's true, Nami. It's true as you. Send my regards to my daughter, no?
Okay, Mama, no problem.
Take care of yourselves.
Okay, Ma.
Let me be on my way.
Okay, bye-bye. Take care.
Bye-bye. Oh.
Babe,
Yeah.
were you talking to someone?
Oh, your mom.
My mom.
Yeah.
On the phone?
Phone? No, she just left.
I don't understand. Without seeing me?
I thought that you were not home now.
Why?
Why? Have you forgotten? The rule. No unwanted visits from family and friends.
Including my own mother?
Including Tinubu. Including even the governor.
Thank you so much, baby.
I hope you like it.
You're the best. I love it.
Thank you.
So tell me, are you coming over tonight?
Nah, babe, I need to stay with her today.
So when are you making time for us?
Very soon. Very soon I'll make that time for us, and you know I can't wait to ravish this your body.
And I can't wait to give you some new styles.
Somebody has been doing her assignments.
Yeah, trust me.
Yeah, I like that.
So baby, I think I'll just let you go now.
Okay. Take care.
Alright, babe. Oh.
Why would you tell my mother that I'm not at home when I was? And then you expect me to wear this mask?
This woman, you like problems a lot, though. But she, you know you like problems. I've told you times without number. Once you are going outside this gate, wear this mask. Finish. Kalas, we won't have problems.
Oh, God. Fine.
Come back here. Come back here. Where are you going to? Wear that mask now, Joe.
I am going to my mother's house.
Then wear the mask now.
Why should I wear it now?
Wait. Jessica, you now have the balls to question my commands? Wear the damn mask now. Wear it properly. Let the hole so that you can talk. Very good. Can't you see how beautiful you're looking? Eh? It's even to match. Blue. Babe, you look fantastic. Have a nice day, okay? And don't forget, I have men watching you in case you try to remove that mask.
Yeah, hold on, I'm coming. Who is there? Obara Jesus.
It's me. It's me.
How?
It's me.
Why did you scare me like this, Salah? You know my health condition.
It's not intentional. I'm really sorry.
How are you?
I'm not fine.
What happened? Did you miscarry?
Mama, how would you say something like that?
I'm sorry, my daughter. That's really bad news that came to my mind.
It's Charles.
My in-law?
Yes.
What did he do?
He has changed.
Now, he's not up to 1 month, so...
Oh, God. Mama, I'm tired.
Tired?
I am so tired.
No, my dear, you don't have to be tired. It's a marathon race, oh. It's what you've signed. No leave, no transfer.
Oh, God. Mama, Charles has changed from 0 to 100.
What did he do?
Mama, you won't believe that Charles told me that whenever I'm going out, I should wear a face mask. Mama, it's not funny.
I'm sorry, my child. I'm sorry. As a masquerade, Abi.
Because he said he doesn't want the estate boys to see me, to look at my face. So nobody would like me.
He's just being protective.
Oh, so will you call him being protective when you came to the house to see me and then he told you that I was not at home?
Oh, no, wait. You mean you were at home that day?
I was at home that day. And he did the same thing when Ella came to look for me.
No, this is strange.
Okay. Mama, you won't believe that Charles broke my SIM card on the day of our wedding night. And then he gave me this small phone to be using.
No, now. And he lied to me that they stole your phone on that wedding day.
Now you see what I'm talking about. I'm going through hell.
Come, my dear. He's still your husband. Whatever rules he gives, you have to obey him. That is marriage for you, my daughter.
Mama.
That is marriage. My hands are tied. Please, my dear.
Bro, I'm really sorry for the way I behaved the last time. Please, I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
Come on, man. It's okay. I guess you're just trying to set boundaries. I totally understand. But wait, no tell me saying that your killer carry you come this my area.
That baby try for me.
If she did try like that, why didn't you get married to her?
No, now. Why would I get married to her? See, Jessica is the real wife. Jessica is the one I get married to.
Okay.
While Diamond is for other purposes.
Man. The re-talk say, men will stay in your wife. So now you have a wife or wife doing this. Then you have another side piece for enjoyment. No. Nah, man, we stay in your white.
Oh my God. Well, I am planning a good getaway rest for me and Diamond very soon.
For you and Diamond?
Mm-hmm.
How about now?
What?
This married men, we could not try this set good example now. You guys should try to give us that are not married a good example now. How can you be planning a getaway for you and Diamond? Okay, now, so your wife is at home. You are planning enjoyment for your side chick. Now you say side chick can't enjoy past wife. Come on now. Make una try it.
France, what makes you a real man is how you strike your balance. Okay? I'm taking care of the side and I'm taking care of home. Don't worry, bro. I got you.
I don't envy you.
But let's leave this place,
I
man.
don't envy you, I swear.
Oh God. Babe, I just don't like how things are going on in this house. I feel so caged. It just feels like you've changed from the man that I used to know. What's going on?
Oh, wait. Just because I don't want third parties interfering with our marriage?
Oh, come off it. I'm not a baby, okay? I'm an adult. A literate one at that. Just stop all of this. I can't even go out without even wearing a face mask. I can't go see my loved ones. I can't do anything. I just feel so useless. This is not the kind of life I want. If you knew that this was what you wanted us to do, you should have just told me before we got married. You should have spelled this out so I know what I'm getting myself into.
Well, this is my kind of marriage. So you have to get used to it and stop complaining. I have work tomorrow. Good night.
Can you just stop it? Oh God. I've gotten myself into.
I hear you.
Who is that? Hey, what?
Hi.
What are you doing in my gate?
Why are you so mannerless? Are you mad? Is something wrong with you?
Anti-shift for you. Now smarting they make me vex beat person. Who be you?
Who is this angry dog? Is something wrong with you? Are you okay? Are you... Open this gate for me now.
You call me angry dog.
Are you crazy? Open this gate this minute.
If I bite your hand, come here off my gate.
I will slap you.
I am.
Elijah!
Oh,
I am.
Elijah without fire. Come on, get out of this place.
Madam.
Nuisance. Jessica, can you imagine? Get out of this place.
Madam, now because of you.
My goodness, Jessica. A beautiful woman like you should not be hiring nuisance. Look at him.
I'm so sorry, my friend.
Goodness, I miss you.
So much.
Open the gate. Let me come in.
Nope, you can't come in. You cannot come in.
What? Wait. You're joking.
No, I'm not. I am really so sorry, okay?
Did I offend you?
No. You didn't offend me. I will explain to you much later, okay?
Jessica, I'm confused.
No, I'm sorry. You know what's
What's the problem?
Just no problem. Just type in your number here.
Jessica, are you okay?
Yes, I'm good. Type in your number.
Your phone?
Yes, that's my phone.
Jessica! Jessica!
Babe? What happened?
You must be very stupid for asking me this stupid question. What happened here today? Who came to visit you today and why did you go outside without your face mask?
I don't understand. Did anything happen?
I said, who visited you and why did you go outside without your face mask?
Ella came around, but she didn't come into the house.
Fine, she didn't come into the house. But did you go outside without your face mask?
Yes. Because she was threatening the gate man and I didn't want her to do anything stupid. That was why I went outside.
You are very, very stupid. What did I say?
Very stupid.
You're very stupid. See now, today is going to be your day of grace. Today is going to be your day of grace. Jessica, if you try this nonsense again, and you know what? I don't see that your stupid friend, what is her name? Ella. I don't see her in this house again. Did I make myself clear?
Babe, but you allow your friend come into the house. Why is mine different?
Jessica, try me. Try me and you'll see what will happen to you.
Babe, why are you treating me like this? Why?
Babe. What's wrong?
Nothing.
Are you on your period?
I am not. I'm just not in the mood, please.
What do you mean by you're not in the mood? Me, I'm in the mood. Oh.
So what do you want to do? You want to force yourself?
Force myself on you how? Eh? Force myself on you how? I am your husband and your body belongs to me.
Says who? We have to seek consent, my dear.
Which consent? Eh? My friend, come on, you think I'm joking?
Jesus.
What is Jesus? I'm your husband, you're telling me.
Can you just leave me alone? I'm not in the mood, please stop this.
Come on.
Stop! Ow! Oh God. Mama. How can my husband rape me? How?
It is not rape. It's just his entitlement. You can't deny your husband your body.
Mama.
That is marriage, my love.
Even when I'm not in a good mood. Mama, we had a fight prior to that night. Mama, Chance could not even beg or pamper me in any way. So how am I supposed to give it? How am I supposed to be in the mood for anything? How?
I understand, my child. You see, most times you don't have to be in the mood to give in.
Oh God.
That is marriage.
No. Mama, I don't think I can do this anymore.
God forbid.
I can do this one. Okay. Mama, I cannot do this one. Mama, no.
Calm down, calm down. Soon I will get used to it. Marriage is sweet and bitter. It's just that yours started with a bitter part. Please, my child.
I cannot do this, Mama.
Okay, go say that.
Mama, I'm tired.
Mama, I'm tired. It's okay, Adam. Stop crying.
I'm tired.
It's okay.
It just feels like I'm in a bondage already.
Please,
I'm tired.
This one that will be away for a couple of days. I just hope I don't get any negative reports about you. Because you will not like my reaction. So you better behave yourself. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Good girl. That reminds me, I'm looking for my pink tie. Where's my pink tie?
I don't have your pink tie.
Okay.
Can you just stay a month already? I need some peace around this house, please.
And why do I feel like you're insulting me in your mind?
How do you mean by that? I don't have time for your trouble. I don't have time for that. Just leave me alone.
Good night, baby.
Good night. Take this money, go to the market in the estate, and get me those things in place.
Madam, but you will have to lock the gate while I leave.
You can go, I'll do that.
Okay. You said things on the list, Abby?
Yes, please.
Madam, how much is there?
Elijah, just count it when you go.
Wow. Your house is so beautiful.
Thank you so much, my friend.
This is some high level of luxury.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
Just feel at home.
I am, absolutely. Nice.
Thank you.
What's up? Where's your husband? Is he home?
That's one. He traveled.
Oh, that was why you locked the gate?
Yes, so I sent him to get me some stuff because, let him just stay out there. I'm tired.
It's okay, that's fine. Wow.
So what can I get you?
Everything. Food, drink.
Wine, champagne.
Everything.
Okay.
Get me some
One
red
second,
wine.
okay?
And make sure you get me ice too.
I'll get that.
What? Wow. Jessica is having fun. Wow. Marriage is beautiful. Oh my God. JC.
You can have this.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very chilled. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my love.
Yeah.
You look good.
Thank you. Uh-oh. Ah. Your old number, what happened?
Charles broke my phone.
Why?
He said he doesn't want me to contact my male and single female friends anymore.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
What? That's strange.
Yeah.
Jessica, that's really odd. Wait, I don't understand this in a marriage. Oh. You don't need some prison.
My sister, it just feels like prison. I'm in a serious prison.
Wow. No wonder. You know, the last time I saw you, you know, you were looking so pale, but your makeup was kind of loud, so I couldn't even place it. What? Even your chin and your collarbone, everything is looking somehow. No. Talk to me. Are you alright? Has he been hitting you? Did he touch you at any point?
This marriage to me feels like 10 years in bondage.
You didn't talk to me.
I am dying.
Jessica, you didn't talk to me. You didn't call me.
I just didn't want to stress you.
Stress me. I'm your friend. Oh, come here. It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
Sorry.
And why are you standing there staring like a moron? Is that your new way of greeting?
I'm sorry. Welcome back. But, who is this person? Oh, hi.
Her name is Diamond. She's my colleague at work, and you know we close late and she can't go home, so she decided to spend the night here. She'll be leaving by morning.
I don't understand. I think I didn't really hear you well. You said her name is Diamond, and you guys close late, and she'll be leaving Tomorrow morning. In which house? This house?
Listen to me. I have given you the explanation that you deserve to know about. So whatever your little brain is telling you, I don't care. So I need you to take this bag upstairs and go prepare the guest room for my guests. After you.
Thank you.
And you know what? Leave the AC running, okay? So what do I offer you?
Anything.
Anything? Anything is nothing. You're my house. I have everything. Just...
Okay, I want something a bit strong.
Okay. I think I got you. Why are you still standing there? I said go prepare the guest room.
Good morning. What do you want in my kitchen? I want to make something to eat. In whose kitchen? I don't understand. You must be very stupid for not understanding. You must be very, very stupid.
Who is stupid? Huh? Who is stupid? I'm asking you, I said who is stupid? This is me that I'm talking to. Wait, what's wrong with you?
You slapped me. She just insulted me.
I'm sorry. I'll handle this, okay? Please.
Oh, it's fine.
Can you see what you've caused?
You slapped me.
And I'll slap you again and again because you don't have sense. Just one night that my guest is here and you cannot comport yourself. What is wrong with you? Now listen to me. I'm going to work in the next 30 minutes. If you don't prepare my breakfast before then, you'll see what I'll do to you. And you know me, I don't bluff.
Am I a slave? Or a wife in this house? What am I?
So are you happy now?
Yes, I am. Your house is really beautiful.
Thank you.
But you were harsh on her.
Who?
Your wife.
She deserved it.
Come on. She's a woman. And our instincts never lies to us about a new woman in our man's life. I guess she felt it immediately we walked in.
Oh, that's her business. Your place, right?
Where else? Thank you for the fun.
You deserve it, baby girl. Come here. So let's go.
Oh, goodness.
Nim, how are you?
Mama.
Adam.
Charles slapped me in front of his colleague. He had a female colleague who came to the house. So I asked him a question. I said, Charles, who is this person? He said, she's a colleague and she'll be spending the night in our house. It didn't sit well with me. Because the way she was dressed with a very mini skirt, I was like, Charles, how can you bring in a strange woman that I do not even know into our house and you're telling me that she will sleep and spend the night in the house? Mama just slapped me for that. He said I had no right
to ask him any single question in our house.
Were you harsh to the colleague?
Mama, I was never harsh to this person. I was not harsh. I wasn't. Oh, God.
See, the worst thing that can happen is for you to start entertaining doubts in your marriage. Your marriage is still too early. Just learn to trust your husband, okay?
God. Mama, a man who raises his hand on his wife can never be trusted. Never.
Do you want me to speak to your husband?
No, Mama. You don't have to worry about this one. I would ensure that I see this to the end.
Just be careful, okay? You can name. Just be careful. Everything will be alright. Please.
Where are you coming from? I said, where are you coming from?
Jessica, I can see you're beginning to grow some balls. And by the way, what's your business with where I'm coming back from?
Look at the time a married man is coming back to the house. I've been calling you a line, you didn't pick up my calls. For what reason?
Jessica, as you can see, I'm tired. I need to go upstairs and relax. I'm not gonna ask you again. Get out of my way, please.
I will not.
Are you mad? Come on. Stupid girl. You need to go involved. Let's see your Chris.
Yeah. Have you called your friend?
Yeah, I called him already. He's already on his way. We have this important football match to catch up with in 15 minutes. I'm sure he'll be here any moment from now.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you so much for the drink.
Just feel at home. I hope you like the drink.
Yeah, it's nice. I'm enjoying it.
Good to see you again. So how is your family?
Very well, thank you. And you, how are you settling in?
We thank God.
I can see you're looking very, very fine.
We thank God.
Yeah. Oh, is it?
Welcome.
You? So you're sleeping with my friend?
Me?
Behind me?
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? You bloody whore! You shut up! What are you doing?
Francis! That's Francis! Get out of my house! Get out of my house now!
Baby,
You're pushing me in my house. Get out! Get out of my house!
Calm down, man.
Babe!
Get the hell out of my house.
Babe! Babe!
I still don't understand why you left your home without your husband's knowledge.
This is why I left. I don't want to die.
But you shouldn't have come home with your belongings. Do you want to bring disgrace to this family?
Mama, I am not a disgrace. But if this is how you see me in my abusive marriage, then so be it, fine.
It's not like that, my dear. You see, what I'm trying to say is, you don't have to run away from your home simply because you had a little misunderstanding with your husband.
Mama, you call this little? Are you for real?
It's okay. It's okay. I will go and see Charles. Let me at least know what the problem is.
Yeah, you don't have to. Because I'm done.
No.
I am done.
No, don't say that.
I am done with this marriage.
It's okay. Let me see your husband first, okay? Madam, it's okay. Stop crying.
Mama,
Okay.
I am
It's
done.
okay.
I am done, Mama. I am done. I am done. I am done.
It's okay. Please.
Mama, you're welcome.
Thank you, my son. So how are you?
Well, I'm just there, Mama. I'm just there. Ever since Jessica decided to just leave for no just reason.
Exactly my point. I cautioned her for leaving. But tell me, what really happened?
What even happened, Seth? Okay, Mama, you know, all I ever wanted was a peaceful home. In fact, what I still want is a peaceful home.
Okay.
I cautioned Jessica. I said she shouldn't entertain or invite her best friend to this house again. What's that name? Ella. Because I don't like it. I don't want Ella as a single woman to corrupt my wife. And Jessica turned it to war. I still didn't say anything. I came back from work one fateful day and I saw my friend discussing with Jessica here in this parlor. This is my same friend that has nothing good to say about Jessica. I saw them discussing here and I just shouted at her small. I didn't really shout. I just raised my voice a bit and she got scared and ran up the stairs and she fell down. And I don't know. That was just it.
I said it. I knew she lied to me.
Mama, I can never in this life raise my hands to my wife. Never.
I believe you, my son. I know how all these girls of this generation behave. During our own time, no matter the beating, no matter the suffering, you dare not leave your husband's house.
Mama, I didn't even beat her. Why would I beat her? They call it feminism. They say it's women should have equal rights with men. Yes, that's
nonsense. A woman can never have the same rights as a man. We are Africans, and that is not our culture.
You said it all.
But don't worry. I'll talk some sense into her.
Thank you.
I'll talk some sense into her.
Thank you, Mama.
I should be on my way now.
So soon?
I have other things. I just wanted to come and find out what actually happened and why she left her home without letting her husband know.
Okay, Mama, let me look for transport for you now. Let me just go upstairs and come. Yes, let me give you something. Come in, Mama. Yes.
These children will never hear.
What? So you're going through all of this, Jessica? What's your mom saying about this?
That she doesn't want anyone to bring shame to the family. Yeah.
Shame to the family. I understand. Besides, your marriage is pretty young.
Exactly. Perfect reason to pack out without a baggage.
Yeah, you should leave.
Leaving from where to where?
Oh, Oma. Welcome, Ma.
Hold your greetings. I've heard the truth. So you're the one that visits my daughter with wrong advice. Okuya?
Mama.
Jessie. Mama, how?
Leave my house.
Mama.
I said leave my house now.
I'm so sorry.
Leave!
Oh, sorry, Ma. We had a way.
Mama, why you touch that?
Thank you, Ma.
Shh. I'll call you on the phone, okay? Mama, this is so embarrassing and very disrespectful.
Young woman, I am in my house. This is my house. I choose whom I hire and whom I fire. Whom I respect and whom I disrespect, including you. Jessica, your days are numbered in this house.
Come in.
Thank you, baby. Ooh, wow. So I have all the space all to myself.
Yeah. You like it?
I love it. I feel like having you here right now. You know what, babe?
What?
I'm famished.
Well, you can go into my kitchen. Anything you see there, you can have it.
What? Come on, babe. I am a guest for today, so you need to treat me as one.
Okay. Sorry about that, Your Highness. But first of all, let me take your bags upstairs and change into something more comfortable, and I'll fix you something to eat. How about that?
Sure, baby. I'll be here waiting.
Okay.
I'll
be back, okay?
All right, my love. Whoa. Nice. Okay. I am now the new madam of this house.
Baby. Baby.
Morning, babe.
Yeah, morning. I'm almost ready for work. Can I get my breakfast now?
I'm sorry, babe. I can't make breakfast though. I'm tired.
But even if it's just bread and tea, I can manage.
It's that simple, right? Then you should help yourself. Please, babe, I don't need any disturbance right now. Mama, what's going on? You locked the kitchen and I'm very hungry.
Jessica.
Ma?
2 married women don't share same kitchen. That kitchen is mine, so go back to yours.
Mama, so are you going to starve me to death because of an abusive man?
Yes, so we all endure abuses in our marriages sometimes. But the problem with you younger generation is that you lack tolerance. Any little thing, you pack your load and run home. Let me ask you, do you even remember that I'm the head of CWO in my church? What do you expect them to say?
Mama, if you endured yours in your own time, I cannot endure mine. Mama, everyone has a tolerance limit, and I have gotten to that point. Mama, you cannot punish me for choosing myself over an abusive man. You won't do that to me.
Rubbish. You want to disgrace me? It will not work for you. After rant, you go back to your husband's house. So had it been I live in another country, any little thing would have run to me.
Babe.
Where are you coming from?
A friend's party?
And you didn't think you should let me know about it?
That's my friend. Do you know him?
No more partying without my approval. Are we clear?
Who are you again? My husband?
I am your man.
And I can decide to change that right now. Look, I am not your doormat wife who you choose when she breathes or do anything. I am Diamond. I rule my world.
We shall see about it.
We shall see nothing. You try one rubbish, and I double whatever you do. Who are you to choose how my social life will be? Excuse me.
Bro, I am very sorry. Fine, I know sometimes I can overreact and I'm not even proud of my actions, Seth. I'm sorry.
Sincerely, you're lucky that Jessica is not related to me. I would have made sure you rot in jail. You are a beast. Yes. How would you beat an innocent woman like that? Somebody that did nothing to you.
I'm apologizing to you. You've not even accepted you're talking about Jessica. My hand mistakenly touched you. Is that enough reason to move out of the house?
Smart move. Yeah, she's a smart lady. And I feel she finds a man that loves her and appreciates her and possibly gets married to her.
Hey, hold up, man. Hold up. Don't forget, we're still legally married. Yes, so she can't marry anybody again. And by the way, Seb, it's not even Jessica that is my problem. It's Diamond that's worrying my head right now.
But she already moved in with you. So why is she worrying your head?
Yes, now. You know now, the man has put body and soul together.
Sincerely, before I used to think you have sense. No, really, I thought you were sensible. How would you bring your side chick into your matrimonial home and you're happy about it, you'll be proud, you'll be booga? You need to keep body and soul together. You should be ashamed of yourself.
See, Francis, I love Diamond. Yes.
What about Jessica?
Man, I don't even know again, Seth.
Just imagine, just look at you. You are a finished man. You love Diamond and you don't know about Jessica. Shame's supposed to catch you. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Sometimes I wonder how me and you became friends. Instead of you to be supporting me.
Even me, how did I meet you, man? Well, how did I meet you?
France, come on, be going.
Go where?
Leave my house.
Go and chase Diamond away first before you tell me to leave yours.
Use your voice, so.
If she wants to hear, she should come and leave this place.
Use your voice now.
No, you didn't tell you didn't say anything about it. You didn't tell me. I beg. Please don't just kill me with laugh. Alpha now, tell me now, what's up with the new updates now? This is all like you. You started doing Shakara. Oh, what's the meaning of this now? Come on. Okay. Alright, that's fine. No wahala. I'm here. I'll be waiting. I'll wait. Hey, baby. I am so sorry I was on a very important call.
It's cool. Can I talk to you?
Yeah, sure. Sit.
What is this?
I don't understand.
As an adult, you don't know that you're supposed to clean up. After eating, you don't know that you're supposed to tidy your environment.
Babe, I have a meaning to ask. Why don't you have a cleaner or a housekeeper or something?
Why do I need a cleaner or a housekeeper?
To help with all these services. You don't expect me to ruin my nails?
Are you kidding me? Jessica!
I'm not your wife. Neither am I aspiring to be one. I don't understand it. When you walked in here and saw it, why didn't you clear it as a gentleman that you are? Tell me, where is it written that a woman must do the cleaning? Where? Where is it written that a woman must do all the chores of the house? Can't you help as a man?
Where are you going to?
Oh, it's Friday. Ladies' night at the club.
I can't remember telling you that we're going clubbing this night.
You don't have to worry yourself. Someone is coming to pick me up.
Diamond, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What's happening?
I don't understand. That I'm going out to have fun. Do you have a problem with that? Hello? Hold. Who are you?
I should be asking you, who are you? Is Charles home?
Oh, you must be Charles's mom, right?
Young woman, answer my question. Is Charles home?
No, he went to work.
Okay.
Please come in.
Thank you. I should be on my way. I'm just coming back from Charles' place. You won't believe what I saw there. One fair girl looking like mommy.
Oh, good for him.
What did she say is her name again? What was her name again? Diamond. She said her name is Diamond. One mannerless, mommy looking girl like that.
Mama, did you just say Diamond?
Yes.
Mama, that's the guy he slapped me for now.
Ezio.
Yes!
Ezio.
Yes, the one I told you about. Oh my god, I knew it. I'm not even surprised because I saw this coming.
See this?
Man!
These men,
Man!
in the twinkle of an eye, they would just change.
So Charles even had the right to bring his side chick into the house.
Wow.
Interesting.
Interesting.
My dear.
You know what? Charles is not even ready for marriage because he's still in that space where you have bachelors behaving, you know, somehow with their dirty habits, all those unscrupulous attitude.
Oh, that's his business.
You could be right.
He will come around when he's ready. Ew.
I don't care.
Jessica, my daughter.
Yes, Mommy.
See, I am so sorry for not seeing your pains all this while. You see, during our time, we endured more because no one was ready to listen to us. But you see, this time, from this moment, whatever decision you make, as far as this marriage is concerned, I am solidly behind you, my daughter. I am sorry.
Thank you so much, Mommy.
You're welcome, my
Thank you, Ma.
And
thank you.
Ella, I am sorry the way I treated you last time. You see, I was so concerned about what society will say without even thinking about my daughter's pains or what she was going through. I'm sorry.
It's okay. You know, I was more concerned about her happiness. That's what matters, you know.
Yeah.
Like I said, I am solidly behind you.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow. So, Jesse, what's the plan? Are you planning to stay here, or you're gonna get a new apartment for yourself and start something?
Wow. The plan I have now is to relocate. To start my life afresh because I just have to be happy.
Absolutely, yes. Your happiness is my priority.
You're right, my dear.
Wow. Sounds pretty good.
That's all that matters. Happiness.
Happiness, yeah.
Yes, my dear. Your happiness comes first.
Yes,
okay. Before anything, before any marriage, I'm solidly behind you. You know,
yes,
you know, Mama Licham, my beauty. Just imagine. Just look at my beautiful daughter. That one or unknown whatever. I don't know.
A nuisance.
A nuisance. That's the right word. Nuisance.
Wanted to disfigure her all in the name of marriage.
A riffraff, very
CW has to hold on.
A very big riffraff.
What is the meaning of this one now? What are we going to call this?
I don't know what's happening.
What is the meaning of this one now?
I don't know what is happening to me.
You don't know what? Who was the last person you slept with?
What kind of question is that? It's you now.
It's me. So you're trying to say that I'm the one that gave you this nonsense infection, Abby? You better go and check yourself, oh. Go and check yourself before you pass it to me. Go and check yourself.
This thing is very, very serious, babe.
No, it's not serious. Go and check yourself. It is morning. Shower so you can go to the hospital.
Oh my God. Babe, I'll go to the hospital.
No,
I can scratch it very well.
If you say that you want to infect me with your useless infection.
Hey! Babe, wait.
Don't stand up from this bed, Joe. What is your problem? Stand up from here. Before you pass me the nonsense infection. When you will not put your tea on one side, you'll be slotting it in. Every phone you see, you slot it in.
Jesus Christ.
Don't come close to me, oh. Better go and look for how you got that infection.
Can I use iron sponge?
Use knife. Go downstairs, take knife, use knife to scratch it.
Diamond!
What is it? Why are you shouting?
So the sole purpose of you coming into my life is to give me sexually transmitted infections?
Infection? Me? Infection? I am infection free, Mr. Man. You should go check where you logged in your machine.
You swine! You pig! Fool, this is the result. Look at it. Can you see it? Staphylococcus aureus. Heavy growth. Can you see it? Now what I want you to do is go upstairs, pack your things and get the hell out of my house. Now!
Immediately. Animal.
Swine! House of infection. That's what you are.
You're very lucky it was not a stubborn infection, no.
Bro, I had to run for my life. Oh.
No run now. If you no run, if you stay there, see, this is the time to tell yourself the truth. That you've been having an affair with a Ron's girl, a proper hookup babe.
Bro, that girl is a pig.
She's a pig. So it's safe to say you've been sleeping with a pig, Abby? Oh.
Seriously?
Uh-huh.
Oh, bro, I miss Jessica. That girl is too clean. Like, she takes care of herself. When I was with Jessica, I did not even get anything like an infection or anything. She smells nice. Like, I miss Jessica.
Yeah, I feel so sorry for you. So right now, the rejected stone has become the chief cornerstone, Abby? Yes, now, the one you rejected now feels and smells so nice, Abby?
Now I know better, bro.
See, I am your friend and I have to tell you the truth. You need to work on yourself. You need to change your ways. This whole lifestyle is not paying you.
But I have now. You know that I've changed my ways. I'm a changed man.
Well, if you've changed, I'm happy for you. But you need to make sure you've changed for it because this whole thing is not working for you, bro. It's not working. I must be honest with you.
Please. Baby, I have realized my mistakes. And I am now a changed man. You can ask Francis. You can ask my colleagues at work. Ask everybody. Babe, I am sorry. And what's the name of that Diamond? Diamond has left. I chased her out of my house. I don't have anything to do with her, baby. You can ask. Baby, I want you back in my life. Without you, my life is worthless and meaningless. Baby, please remember the 4 times that we shared. I don't know what got into me. I think it was the devil. I think it was Lucifer himself. Baby, please, I'm sorry. I want you back, please. I'm changed. And I still love you. Please. Baby.
Get out.
Babe.
Get out.
Babe, it's me, Charles.
And I said get out.
Babe, please. Your darling husband, please, you can't do this to me, baby. Please, I'm sorry.
I am done with this relationship, marriage, whatever you want to call it. I am done. Just get out.
Babe, what do you want me to
I do not want to raise my voice, Charles. I don't want to.
Babe, what?
Just go.
Babe, what do you want my life? My life will be used.
I said go! Get out. I said go!
Babe, I still love you, please.
And I hate you. Go.
Babe, I'll come back. Babe, I still love you. Go.
Oh, God.
Good day, Mama.
What is good about the day?
Sorry, ma, can I come in?
No.
Please, ma, I just
Leave.
want to talk about...
Leave!
Oh my God.
Sense. You are stupid, pretentious, unfortunate, and no fear. Coming to disorganize the life of my daughter in the name of marriage.
Charles, you really need to calm down. Before you give yourself high blood pressure.
France, you do not understand. Anytime I have a problem with Jessica, I talk to her through her mom. And now her mom is angry at me. What do you want me to do? I'm confused.
But who wouldn't be? No, tell me, who wouldn't be? Come on, man, you overplayed your role. You overdid it this time. Even a blind person can see it. And you even mentioned that the mom came here and met Diamond. Come on, man. That's the height any mom can take. Haba.
No. I can't lose my wife. I love Jessica. I don't know what I'll do without her. I can't lose my wife. Please, what will I do?
I don't know, but maybe I can help you talk to her if you permit me.
Permitted. Please go ahead. Please help me talk to her, please.
I'll talk to her as far as I don't get punched in the face again.
I said I'm sorry now. Should I have told you I'm sorry? It was not...
It's alright. Just calm down. Just calm down. I'll talk to her.
Thank you.
It's alright. I'll talk to her.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
Just calm down.
Bro. Thank you.
Take it easy. Mama, seriously. You have to believe me. Charles is a changed person. He has turned a new leaf. He's not the Charles you used to know.
Mm. So why did he decide to change? Has Diamond left him?
Mama, this is not about Diamond. Who's talking about Diamond?
But about what? He sees the importance of my daughter now because she's the only one that takes all his rubbish. A doormat to fall back on. Okuya?
Mama, stop sounding like this now. Jessica is not a doormat. Jessica can never be a doormat. Mama, Jessica is a good woman. A virtuous woman. Jessica is every man's dream now, Mama.
Anyways, it's late.
Late? How do you mean, Mama?
Francis.
Man.
Francis. Francis, what's up? Francis, I've been thinking about everything and sincerely I am truly remorseful. And I hope you told Jessica that I am now a changed person and if she come back it will never happen again.
Charles, I'm sorry, it's a little too late. Yeah.
What do you mean?
Yeah, her mom told me that she relocated to London. She traveled just yesterday. I'm so sorry. Come on, just put yourself together. I know this is hard for you. But just take it easy. Come on, man. I understand this is hard for you, but just put yourself together. See, you'd find a better woman. Come on, you don't need to cry. Charles, there are good women out there. You can still find one. Yeah, trust me. Just the way you found Jessica, you can find another one. Come on now, be a man. Why?
What
Charlie,
have I done?
Charlie, you're a strong man now. You're a strong man.
What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself?
See, you make me cry. I'll start crying. Just put yourself together. You've always been the ladies' man. I am very, very sure.
I love Jessica. I love Jessica. Jessica, I'm sorry. God, what did I do to myself? What have I done to myself? I can't live without Jessica. I can't live without you.